Today's topic is active passive voice in the past tense. Now, present tense is already over. Now, past tense. So, it's in the same pattern as we did present tense. The subject in the passive voice becomes object. So, automatically the construction of the sentence changes. So, let's begin. Now, the first one, we are continuing with the present tense example. The woodcutter cut the tree. Now, here, cut tells you it is in the past tense. Here, the subject is woodcutter and tree is the object. So, this is simple past tense, active voice. Now, the same sentence can be also spoken or written or read in the other way. Here we are making the object as the subject. So the construction changes. The tree was cut by the woodcutter. Even if you don't say by the woodcutter, this construction, the tree was cut, tells you that it is past tense but in the passive voice. Why? Because the tree cannot cut itself. Someone is cutting the tree. And here observe, cut is past tense as well as the perfect form is also cut. So cut, present tense or cuts, cut past tense, and has, had, have, cut is the perfect form. So same word which has no change, only change with the before word. So it becomes the tree was cut by the woodcutter. Next one, past continuous. This is again active voice. The woodcutter was cutting the tree. So was cutting is continuous form, active voice. Past tense, active voice. Now the same sentence we are changing in the passive voice. So the construction, the tree comes first, object. The tree was being, B-E-I-N-G, cut. Cut will not change. Cut, cut, cut. In all the sentences you have to write cut when it is passive voice. So the tree was being cut by the woodcutter, by him, like this. Then next, he had cut the tree. This is past perfect. Had cut. Now see, from has, have we are using had because it's past tense. Cut again is perfect form only. So after had you have to put cut. And cut is always used in the passive voice. This is of course active voice. Why we are putting passive here perfect form? Because before it is had. So the woodcutter had cut the tree, where the subject is the woodcutter. This is active voice. Now the same sentence can be made into passive voice in the past tense. The tree had been, B-E-E-N, cut by him. Now the fourth form we have in the active voice. We have the fourth form in the passive voice also. Like the woodcutter had been cutting the tree, which is active voice. But in the passive voice, it remains the same as the third form. The tree had been cut by the woodcutter. So friends, this is the voice, active passive voice construction of past tense. Previously we had done present tense. Now in the next video we'll be doing future tense of active and passive voice. So please learn the perfect form, because in the passive voice we are using the perfect form. So thank you. Be tuned for the next video.